We are very happy that the voting is taking place in entire valley and in Jammu with extreme fervor and enthusiasm. So just see अगर आप ये दिखा सकें किस तरीके की लाइनें वहाँ लगी हुई हैं और be it the valley of Srinagar, be it the under the trees of Chinar, be it the high mountains, peaks from where the calls used to come for disruption. Everywhere there are people around, long queues since morning, and even in areas where there used to be calls for boycott, there is an enthusiasm. People are giving a statement, a running statement, a standing ovation to the democracy, to the Jamhuriyat by standing so peacefully in the queues, waiting for their turn. And this is what is the history in making in J&K. It's a real history. It's for the world to see that how the elections can take place in peacefully, in a very peaceful, fair, absolutely inducement-free manner. We challenge that anyone. And today there are a large number of diplomats also around in the area from different countries to see for themselves freely as to what is happening in the J&K, and it's state after state. It is happening. It happened in every state. It happened in the LWE areas in the general election. It happened in entire northeast. It happened everywhere. Wherever there were the fissures, wherever there were the possibilities of conflict. People are now, since the 2024 election or even before, when the Chhattisgarh election took place, assembly elections, people are now making a statement that it is not through the ballot, it is through the bullet that they believe in. They believe in writing their own history, their own destiny they want to write themselves. They want to be participative in that. And this is what is an environment, these are what are the visuals to be seen, to be believed, and to be celebrated as a festival of democracy world over. They are creating, see the crowd, so peaceful, and the shine in their eyes, as if they are waiting for their own history to be written by themselves. So this is what it is. We showed you, we gave a glimpse of what we do whole day here during the election day. We have started this practice very recently. We called you during counting times in counting day in the 2024 election, and this is what we are showing you live today.